friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part of the mini room makeover hosted by Heidi from Heidi Sonboul home channel. Also Cheryl from I Style My Style is part of this challenge as well. If you're not familiar with Heidi, I'm gonna have her channel linked in the description box. She's amazingly talented, and on her home channel you can find a lot of inspiration all about home decorating and anything connected to home. So for my room that I chose, inspiration was, as you can see, modern farmhouse style. I like gray colors, neutral tones, and pastel colors. And I also wanted it to be a part of office and one part to be guest bedroom. So I hope you will like how it turned out. I absolutely love it. So let's start by showing you how it looked like before. So as you can see, it was mixed with all kinds of styles. Actually, this table over here was part of my bedroom set. It was my makeup desk. And then this sofa came from my daughter's room, and I moved it here when I was redoing her room. The office closet was full of paperwork and all kinds of things, so we had to clear that out. After we cleared it out, this is how it looked like. We purchased off of Facebook Marketplace this filing cabinet, and everything fits there and it's just perfect. And as you can see over here, I have enough space for my guests' clothes. Next thing I had to tackle was the holes in the wall and take off all the pictures and everything that we had hanging on. As you can see over here, we were using actually screws to hang the pictures before, and I absolutely hated it. Leaves marks and big holes that I had to patch it up. So after that, it was time to just paint the parts of the room that really needed to touch up. This is a pretty new house. It is not even 2 years old, so the paint is still fresh on the walls. Okay, after that, I took off the mirror that was on my makeup vanity, and I wanted to get rid of it. I didn't want it anymore, and I wanted to just use my desk, but I did not want this black color anymore. So after wiping it down pretty good, I decided to paint it white. So I took my favorite Rust-Oleum chalk paint in a linen white color, and I gave it 2 coats. I used the ruler on top because that way I was able to get really good coverage, and it was just a pretty easy job to do. On the sides, on the legs, I actually used the paintbrush, and as you can see over here, I always have my little helper helping me do things around the house. When it was completely dried, I took my water-based polyacrylic and I gave it, I believe I did 2 coats as well, and I used just regular sponge. It is pretty fast drying, and I really like it because it is not shiny and it protects surfaces really well. So I wanted to make sure the top is really coated well because it is going to be used. It is desk. After that, I am reattaching back the handles that came with the desk. I really wanted to keep those because they are modern, but also fits the style that I had going on in this room. These shelves over here I actually got from my friend for free, and I'm using my Rust-Oleum chalk pen in a linen white color to heavily distress it, or actually I was just painting it, as you can see, but not fully. I wanted it to look distressed. Okay, onto the mirror. I got this mirror off of Facebook Marketplace for $15, and it has a cork as a frame, and that is actually a good thing. I needed that. I purchased these boards. They're whitewashed boards from Lowe's. They were $5 a piece, and they already had that beautiful distressing on them. I didn't have to do anything on them. So over here I'm just measuring how much to cut of each board to make a frame. So over here I'm using a mix of different kind of glues, wood glue, and I actually ended up using on the side over here, as you can see, the all-purpose glue, and then I just attached the pieces together. As you can see, some of the boards are not completely straight, they're curved, but I didn't mind it at all because it is farmhouse style, and nothing is really completely perfect in farmhouse style. After everything was dry, I really left it overnight with some heavy things on top. I got these brackets, mini brackets from Lowe's as well, and I attached them to the corners, inner corners of my frame. I chose inner corners because that way it will be attached to the original frame of the mirror, and also it just looks nice. I really like how it turned out, and it was super easy. Now I would like to take a few moments to just introduce myself. My name is Jelena. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids, and I recently, a few months ago, started doing only DIYs on my channel, and I absolutely love it. So if you guys like DIYs and if you like what you see, I would like for you to stick around and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're on a social media, please look for me. I am on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Next project was the plain wall in my room. I borrowed this 360 laser tool leveler from my friend, and I'm also using this tape that I got off of Amazon. I'm gonna have all that linked in the description box. I am also going to use any kind of cutter you have. I have X-Acto knife over here. You could also use any kind of glue. I did not end up using glue, and I'm using a ruler. What I'm doing over here first is I am just measuring out 6 inches from the top to the bottom of the wall. I did it on a left side and a right side of my wall. And after I was done with that, I am making sure my laser leveler is pointing to my wall, and I'm starting to putting the tape on. This tape is super forgiving. You can peel it off and put it back on as many times as you want, and it still sticks very well. Now, this idea was not my idea. I actually got it from fellow DIY YouTuber Ashley Lauren, and I'm gonna have her channel and her video where she shows exactly how to do this in my description box. And also, if you don't know who she is, you should go ahead and look up her channel. She is not only super sweet, she is extremely talented, and you will love her. So as you can see over here, I'm going from top to the bottom. I had a little trouble because this leveler is not the one that goes on the wall like Ashley showed. So sometimes I had a trouble seeing the line because I was in front of the leveler. But anyway, this is how it looked when I was all done, and oh my gosh, I was so happy with it. At the end, I cut out the edges over here. The glue that I showed earlier could be used to just attach the ends, but there's literally no need for that. It stayed very well. Next thing was to put up the shelves. That was very easy to do, and now it's time to assemble my room. First, of course, I'm vacuuming everything, and I am cleaning out the baseboards and all the dust. Then I'm putting my desk on the corner. I got this lamp off of Facebook Marketplace for $3. And this is my old laptop, but I am about to purchase a new one, and it's also going to be silver, so it fits perfectly. This chair I got off of Office Supply, and it was less than $100. It is absolutely awesome. I'm gonna also have that linked in the description box. Now, this picture is from Makeover. It represents a place where my husband and I were born, and I absolutely love it. I also spray painted our basket, trash basket, white. And now I'm going on to the other side, and I am cleaning and vacuuming before putting the sofa in. This sofa we've had, oh my gosh, for so long, and it's from IKEA, and of course it's great quality. This cover I got from dirt cheap for $6. It is a bigger size, but I folded it in half and it fits really good. Also, this clock I got at dirt cheap. It was $5. It was missing the handles that points to the hours, and I actually went to Walmart and just purchased it for 99 cents. These pillows I also got at dirt cheap for $1, and then the last one, the mini one, I made in one of my previous videos. This throw blanket I got from Dollar General a long time ago. It was on sale, 50% off. And here it is, my mirror. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. This trunk I had for years. I bought it at my local flea market, I believe, for $5, and I redid it completely. And I think it's beautiful. This basket was also from Dollar General. I had it for a while. And this rug I got from Walmart. And now I'm going to show you these little details that I got all from either Dollar General or Dollar Tree. I just wanted to change the color. As you can see over here, I'm doing silver, white, and I'm going to change these in a black as well. I just wanted them to fit more the decor in a room, and they turned out really, really good. So these two pots, when they were all dried, I used to put my Dollar Tree succulents in, and honestly, I think it turned out beautiful. Now I'm putting things on a shelf. This mini letterboard I also got at the Dollar Tree. So everything pretty much in this room is either thrifted or got for on a sale or a dollar store, or I purchased it off of Facebook Marketplace and I redid it. I like doing projects and I like creating nice things for my home on a budget. Okay, so this is the big reveal. This is how the room turned out. This is the guest bedroom side, and then the other side will be the office side. I am in love with this room. My husband made a comment that this is his favorite room now in the whole house. I don't think I can pick the favorite thing in this room. Maybe the mirror frame. I really like how it turned out. I love the frame of it, but I also love the wall as well. I don't know, the whole room is just beautiful. It is completely our style. So I would like to hear from you. What do you think, and what's your favorite part? Do you like it? And if you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new, I would like for you to join my channel, subscribe. Thank you, Heidi, for hosting this challenge, and thank you, Cheryl, for being a part of it as well. In my description box, you will find a link to the next person in this challenge. So please go over there and click on it to see what the other person made and how she redid her room. I want to thank each and every one of you for being here, for supporting me. And if you're new, I am so happy to have you here. Thank you for taking your time to watch my video, to comment. It means so much to me. I hope you all have a wonderful the rest of the day, rest of the week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.